me, Mr. Alex. My name is Mr. Alex and here's my picture. And my favorite color is yellow. What color is it? It's all yellow.
From the N2A class, hi, this is Miss Lyndi. Our transdisciplinary theme for this quarter was who we are. We focused a lot on the self. We especially focused on the faces. We made many self-portraits with the help of Mr. Alex. We used clay, Play-Doh, paint, seeds, flowers, markers, and a lot of other materials to make the self-portraits.
We have to stick all of the green things, okay? Stick all of the green things that you can find. Yes! You love the millipede? For Risa.
I've made a, what's this one? Crook. So first we're gonna paint it. We're gonna follow the lines.
We looked at characteristics that made us unique. We also recognized the similarities and differences between ourselves by making connections.